Okay, good afternoon guys. Today we are here and we will be showing you how to use the KESS V2. The KESS V2 is one of our best-selling tools that we use here at T2R, and today I will be showing you how to use the KESS, the K-Tag and the CMD tools. Now we basically use two tools, which is your Alien Tech tools and your CMD tools. CMD tools are a bit more expensive, but it's also very good tools. Your KESS is a bit cheaper tool, but it's still a very popular tool, and it's actually the tool that we sell the most of. So depending on what cars you're planning to do, we will recommend to you what tool works better on what cars. For instance, your KESS is very good on all VWs, Audis, BMWs, where your CMD is a bit better on your AMGs, for instance. So depending on what cars and what your target market is, we will recommend a specific tool to you. So today I will show you how the KESS works, the support we offer, how all our things work. So for now I'm going to plug in the KESS into the car and we'll do a read for you guys. We'll show you how the website works and where you can upload your files, how all our things work, and then we will also explain the services that we offer a bit in more detail. You require a computer and your KESS. Now Alien Tech has two tools. They have the KESS and they have the K-Tag. The KESS is for OBD jobs and your K-Tag is for ECU removal jobs. First I will show you how to use your KESS. Okay, first thing that you want to do is you want to plug in your car to the OBD port of the KESS into your car. Now if you're unsure where the port is, you can always ask one of our staff members either on WhatsApp, TeamView, email, and they will be able to explain to you where the port is and you'll be able to find it. Okay. So what we want to do is you want to locate your OBD port and you want to plug your KESS tool into the car's OBD port. So let me go and just get it in there. When you open up your KESS tool, this is the screen you get to. Now I'm going to explain to you what some of the buttons are on the screen, and then just to give you an idea of what you are capable of doing. First you have your info section where it shows your tools info and all of that. You don't really use that, but I'll just show you in any case that you sort of have an idea. Then you have your options screen where you can change your languages, change your screen resolution and all of that. Utility you'll basically never use, so I'm not going to go into that. Then you have a help menu where you can basically download. For the K-Tag you need, you have help support from Alien Tech. So here you can download all the manuals in the respected languages. So that's basically where you find that. Protocols is basically all of this combined into one screen, and then you have your extras tab, which is for your gearbox reading and DSG and all of that. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the 120D. I've asked one of our senior support staff at the T2R head office to assist us on TeamView. So that's just one of the ways that we can offer support to you. If you in any country, they can basically take control of your computer from anywhere, and they will be able to assist you in tuning the car. So and down here you have your different vehicles that you can tune. So you can tune cars, bikes, trucks, boats, and we can offer support on all of that. So obviously this is a car, so we will go ahead and select cars. And here we've already selected the BMW 1 Series here, but so I can basically show you how the TeamView works. So if, let's say now you don't know what car to select or you run into problems, then you can just text one of the senior support staff and just say to them we need help, and they will be able to take control of your computer. So I've just switched the car on, but from here you can basically you can select your car, and now there he's taking control of whatever I'm supposed to be doing, and he's assisting me. But as you can see, he's basically doing everything for me from anywhere in the world. So that's the support that we offer until you get onto your feet and you know how to select all the different cars and which car is what car and all of that. And then it's starting to read. Now, for this particular car, it will take a while to read, but after it's done reading, we will show you how to upload the video onto our server, where the support staff will then send you a new modified file that you can use. So basically now he's just saving the read file that you will have to send to us in order for us to code a modified file for you. So we always use the original read that comes from the car to program the modified file. So, okay, there on that previous screen you'll see you had your ID, you had your reading and your writing, and there's also recovery function on the KESS, which is basically, so sometimes obviously things go wrong and then you can use the recovery function on the KESS. Now that's where T2R is very good at, is providing support on the recovery, because a lot of tuners don't really know what it's about, but we can offer support from that side. So should you ever run into problems, we can take control of your car and help you recover the car if for some reason the car does not want to start. And it's very important here to remember that your battery voltage, we always want to try and keep it above 12. So what can happen is, if your battery voltage drops too low, then your car, it can create a lot of damage to the car, because obviously you're reading the file out of the car now, and if your battery voltage drops, you interrupt that process. Another important thing to always remember that we use for our battery voltage is we try and switch off all your headlights on the car, your aircon, your radio, so that saves your battery power. And then it's also important to set your computer so it doesn't lock or while you are reading. So you want to have your computer, you want to remove the settings where Windows shuts down your computer if you're not using it for a while. And you want to keep moving your mouse just to be sure that you're not interrupting the reading process. So the KESS has finished reading the car now, and now we will proceed to saving the file. So you'll see we already saved the ID. So as you would have seen in your KESS software, there's an ID and a read. So we always ID the car first, and then we read the software out of the car. So the file that we have now is the actual read. So you just give it a name. It's very important for us that you name your file correctly. So you'll see here we set 120 diesel, the original HP, the kilowatt, and if it's manual or automatic, because that makes a difference in the file that we will send you back as your modified file. So I'm going ahead and saving it now. Okay, so you see the nice thing about the KESS is it has the prompt, so it will show you switch off the dashboard to continue, and it will tell you when to switch on the car and when to switch off the car. So that's a really nice feature about your KESS. So after reading your car, you can go onto the T2R website, and then you scroll down right to the bottom and you'll see there's a section that says dealer site. So you go onto your dealer site. Once you've become a dealer, we can send you details, and then you will be able to have your own account. So what we have here is we have a product section where you can buy files, and that's all linked to PayPal and PayFast depending on what country you are in. So I'll go to file request now, which is why we're here. So I'll just go and create a new file request. Okay, so we will fill in the form. Okay, so here we have the read method. This is basically all our tools that we use. You have your KESS, your KTag, your CMDs, and all the rest. So we use the Alentech KESS V2. We have automatic. Okay, you choose your file that you want to upload. So we will be uploading your read file, and then we can create the description here. So this is the part where we use whatever mods you have on the car. You can fill it in here, or you can say, for instance, you want speed limiter removal, DPF removal, launch control, depending on what vehicle you're tuning. or you can tell the guys, look, I want a strong file, I want it for a specific fuel, it's a race car, it's the whatever description you want to add and tell the engineers, you can fill it in here and they will be able to assist you from there. As soon as you created the file, it will be sent to one of the engineers and they will send you the modified file back onto the server, and then you can just go through the same process and write the modified file into the car. Okay, so that's it from me.